Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I make my smoked fish jollof rice. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, leave your comments down below, and let's get right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is to pour oil into a pot, then add your diced onion into it. After that, you let it sweat a little bit. Keep stirring it. Please don't let it burn, just keep stirring it, allow it to sweat. The onions gives the oil like another flavor entirely. So this step is optional, me adding thyme and curry into it. I just like it sometimes. Honestly, it depends on my mood, so I just added a little bit and allowed it to fry as well. Then I added in my tomato paste and allow that to fry as well. When you after you add your tomato, please let it fry properly. If you allow it to fry properly, to take out that that sour taste, there's this very annoying taste that tomato paste has. If you fry it, it's going to take that taste away. So just leave it, but keep stirring it and allow it to fry. Keep stirring and allow it to fry. Make sure the color gets to like a dark wine color. It will look almost burnt, but please don't let it get burnt. Anyways, so I added in my pepper, tomato and onion mixture. I blended this not to a smooth consistency. Please, some people make it smooth, but I personally don't like to make it smooth when I blend it. You want it to be a little bit rough, so I just put it in and left it for the water to dry, and I kept on stirring and frying. So I added my bay leaf, my smoked fish into it. This particular smoked fish, they call it eja. I don't know the English. I think it's cod or arc, one of the two. So the taste is amazing. Anyways, I added that into it and fried it just to let the sauce penetrate into the fish properly. So I poured in my stock or broth, and please, when you're adding your broth, make sure you, before adding more seasoning, make sure you, if you're using broth, add it first, taste it. If you need more seasoning, then you can add more, but if you're not using broth, you can just add the seasoning into it. Anyway, so it needed more seasoning and salt, so I added that into it and gave it a quick stir, brought it to a boil and added my washed basmati rice into it. So after some minutes, maybe about 15 minutes, basmati rice doesn't take a long time to cook, so I just poured in my rice, my washed rice, covered it and added diced tomato and onions. That step is also optional. I just decided to be extra on this particular day and I added that. So I give you a quick stir, and please don't add more water into it. If you add more water, it's going to just make it very soft and messy and all that. So all you have to do is use like a foil paper or a plastic bag to cover your rice and turn your stove to the lowest heat, cover it and let the steam cook the rice through properly. Believe me, you're going to get like a perfect jollof rice. Like, it's going to be like in this single grain form. I don't know how to explain it, but it's not going to be mashed up. Anyway, so yeah, that's how I cook my smoked fish jollof rice. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comments down below, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.